It's just he doesn't have a good track record of doing that.
I still do really like that idea, by the way.
What?
Like, kids get the idea for like one like times like go out hang out or whatever, like, go out to make like presentations. No, literally, it's basically Bozo. We're gonna do like the old ass like presentations video, but instead of being awesome at winning a year of Nitro on accident and it being very old, outdated, and bad, it's gonna be we all like redo it. And then
Oh, they did the great part. Okay. Oh! What? What?
Oh,
What? 68!
beating my dick in the kitchen instead of rubbing my
Huh?
I rub my balls in the
Okay, shut up. Like,
Let's
bro, what? Ugh. Bro, you don't understand. That was from 20.
Luke,
go. What the fuck?
I want you to know, you just completed you just did one of the hardest things that someone can do in the game known as Geometry Dash. You are a hero, a savior to the world.
Thank you.
And you must be crowned king of
You need to be crowned
France.
Yes, bro. What?
in front of a crowd.
How do you? Hold on.
It needs control.
No. I'm gonna check the death tracker. 2068. Okay.